In this lecture, we're going to go over using the double check feature. And we're going to use our chat on climate change and food security to test out this double check feature. To do this, we're going to click on this little Google symbol that says double check response. And now what it's going to show is green. And green is showing that it is probably correct. And now if we click on one of these and expand it, it is going to show us all the references of it, where it comes from, the link to it, and all its connections. Now, if it was highlighted in brown, then that means that Google search couldn't find any relevant information related to that content. So it goes through and it will check the paper that it wrote and it will let you know how it's looking with the content that it found.